Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to cut and trim clips efficiently in Premiere Pro. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, import your footage into Premiere Pro. Drag your clip onto the timeline. Next, select the razor tool from the toolbar or press C on your keyboard. Click on the points in your clip where you want to make cuts. This splits your clip into separate segments. To trim, switch back to the selection tool by pressing V. Hover over the edge of your clip until you see the red bracket. Click and drag to trim the clip to the desired length. Play back your edited clip to ensure it flows smoothly. And that's it. You've efficiently cut and trimmed your clips in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.